Welcome back, this is Jeff, and we're going to take you through adding a jump pad to your UDK scene. Alright, so first you have to determine where you would like your jump pad to go. So it's highly recommended that you place a jump pad that is useful and has function. If you don't, then you probably will get penalized for jumping where there's nothing to get. So normally a jump pad is to get you somewhere that the player can't get to, and get a weapon or some kind of a power pack or something like that. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and jump on top of this building. So what we'll need to do is we're going to have to go into the content browser, into actor classes, and open path node, jump pad. There it is. I guess we do. So there it is. It's under navigation, UT jump pad, and click over the area you'd like to add. So you're going to add UT jump pad here. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to close that. And we want the jump pad to go up on top of the object. So we'll need to add, let's go to add actor, and we need to add a path node. There we go. Okay. Alright, so that's great. So now we're going to connect the two. So the path node, you'll have to double click on it. That opens up this property. It's called path node _0. So remember that, and we'll have to type it in exactly. So we have to actually spell it exactly as well. So path node 0. Double click on this guy. It will open up the UT jump pad. Click on the arrow, and we need a jump target, and that is going to be the path, capital NODE _0. What you need to do now is hit the enter key, and that will connect this with the path node. Alright, so we should be able to do a build all, or we could build paths. You're going to have to build all sometime, but we're going to go ahead and build paths, see if that'll work. Okay, makes it a little bit faster. Click on play from here. And there we go. And there we go. Jumps right up there. Okay, it works. So we know the path node works, and that's how you set up a jump pad. Now, if we want to set up our weapons, then let's go ahead and do a weapon. So let's click on content browser, actor classes, and now we want to go to pickups. And we want to go to weapon, and we want to click on UT weapon pickup factory. Okay, and we want to put that up here. Right click over up there and add UT weapon pickup factory here. And let's go ahead and close that. Double click on this guy right here, and click on the UT weapon pickup factory, and let's click on next to weapon pickup class. Let's go ahead and do a rocket launcher. Okay, once you get that set up, let's go ahead, build paths, and let's go ahead and play from here. And there is our weapon. Awesome. Sorry, I had to do that. Okay. So now we've got the jump pad, and we've got a weapon up there. What about if we wanted to get into a place where you have like a really cool weapon or health or something like that's really powerful? Probably should have put the rocket launcher in here, but there's no doors or windows. Well, we can use what's called a portal, which is kind of fun. So we need to add 2 portals to make this work. So let's go into content browser, and under actor classes we can go into the navigation, and we have what's called a teleporter. Click on teleporter. Okay, and we want to go on from the outside to the inside. So let's say we are right out here, and let's right click over here and add UDK teleporter here. Okay, you want to go on the inside, and right in the middle, let's add a, oops, let's click on it again, teleporter. So right click over this and whoops. Oh, here we go. Add UDK teleporter here. So we want to go inside. So let's go ahead and close that. Alright, so we gotta understand, if we double click on this one, this is going to tell us, let's see, that's not what we want. We want the teleporter. There we go. This one's called UT teleporter _1. And we have to spell it that way, so let's remember that. Okay, let's go out here. And this one's called UT teleporter 0. So we want to go from this one to the one in there. So we are going to want to open these up. It's a teleporter. There we go. And let's go to object. There we go. Open this up a little bit bigger. Okay. So URL is where we want to go. So let's type in URL, which is, spell it exactly, all caps, teleporter _1. Down here, we want to tell it what this one is. And it's weird why this doesn't default _0. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and enter that. You want to enter both of those. So make sure you spell it exactly. Okay. Right. Now on the inside one, let's make sure we got everything set up. I think I got everything set up right. Yeah, looks like it. I think that's everything. And then we're going to go to the one inside. Double click on that one. And teleporter properties, URL is going to be UT teleporter _0. Hit enter. And then at the very bottom, we want to type in _1. Okay, and enter. There we go. Okay, great. And then we're going to go ahead and build paths. Okay. Okay, so hopefully, and then we might have to build all. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Let's try it, give it a try. And so, play from here. And there we go. Oh, that's cool. It's working. Lighting needs to be rebuilt, but let's get out of here a second. The reason why it's so dark in here is there's no light, so Let's go ahead and add a light. Going to add actor, point light, bring that up. Let's go ahead and add lighting in here. Move that up a minute. Here we go. I'm not too worried. I just want to I'm not worried about getting the lighting perfect or anything else, but I just want to make sure the teleporters are working. So, and they are. So let's go in here, and you could rebuild all, but building paths is good enough when you're creating this stuff. There we go. Alright. No, I guess I do need to rebuild the lights, otherwise I am not going to. Let's go ahead and build all. This may take a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and probably stop the video. Okay, we rebuilt the lighting, and let's go ahead and test it out. So let's go ahead and see how the portals work. There we go. Alright, portals work. Pretty cool.